Yo, what's going on? I'm just gonna show you my garage. Here's the car. We got it in the garage, nice and clean, ready for the trip. It is, it's about to go down. We got sunset coming. So, sometimes I do these late night trips, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what I do. It's literally right down the driveway. All right. I already got the car prepped and ready, so I am just gonna put it in the spot so you can see where my spot is. Right under the shade. And good. Ta-da. That's it, folks. It doesn't have to be that hard. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Just take it out of the garage, place it in the spot. If they pay for delivery, deliver it, of course, right? But make it convenient for yourself. Make it happen. This is possible. And then I just do my checkout. But we're good. Hopefully that helps you. Let me know. Subscribe. Let me know what you think.